Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove text box border in Microsoft Excel. So get let's started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then I show the Excel document from the text box. This text box is removed from the border. Firstly, now click for the text box. Then now going to the forward menu option. Then remove from the text box border. Now click for the shape outline option. Then click for the no outline option. That's okay. Then you show the remove text box in border in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.